Zhejiang Nu Luolan Machinery Company Limited, whose previous name is Ruian Gaoke Machinery, is established in 2006. As a professional manufacturer, we not only do manufacturing, but also researching, marketing, and offering after-sales service. We supply quality equipments, effective and convenient solutions for cardboard box and corrugated box folding industry, printing and packaging industry. We are constantly developing and upgrading the functions of our machines. And now, our machines can do more and more products. Starting from 2021, we have a larger and more modern factory with a more standardized production system, greatly improving our production capacity to seek greater breakthroughs and progress of our company. We persist on business philosophy of technology and innovation, casting quality and pursuit of excellence. We continue to recruit and cultivate new talent to create a young and dynamic team. We have planned and improved our management system in order to achieve more efficient production and sales efforts, and launched agents in many countries in order to provide better service to customers all over the world. Zhejiang Nu Luolan Machinery persists on keeping pace with the times and expanding market with all our strength. We will be continuously devoted to providing excellent quality products and more satisfactory service in return for the support and favors of our customers. We warmly welcome all the partners worldwide to cooperate with us.